Have you ever wondered about the current situation in Nagorno-Karabakh? How the aftermath of the 2020 war between Armenia and Azerbaijan continues to shape the lives of the people in this contested region? Well, it's a story of turmoil, resilience, and geopolitical maneuvering. In the autumn of 2020, the world watched as a fierce clash erupted between the two former Soviet republics, Armenia and Azerbaijan. At the heart of the conflict was Nagorno-Karabakh, a region internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan, but mostly inhabited by ethnic Armenians. Hostilities ceased with a Russia-brokered ceasefire, but peace was elusive. The ceasefire agreement largely favored Azerbaijan, which regained control over parts of Nagorno-Karabakh and surrounding territories. Russian peacekeepers were installed along the Armenian border, marking a significant shift in the balance of power in the region. The year 2023 saw tensions escalating. Azerbaijani activists blockaded the Lakan corridor, a vital route linking Nagorno-Karabakh to Armenia. They accused the Nagorno-Karabakh government of illegal mining activities, facilitated by Russia. The blockade led to a humanitarian crisis, with shortages of food, medicine, and basic necessities in the breakaway region. Western diplomats called for the corridor to reopen, but their calls fell on deaf ears. The region's residents faced severe shortages, with basic items like fresh produce, baby formula, and diapers becoming scarce. The International Committee of the Red Cross provided humanitarian aid, but rationing of essential foods had to be implemented. Then came the mass exodus. Tens of thousands of ethnic Armenians fled Nagorno-Karabakh following Azerbaijan's military attack, a mass movement so large it was visible from space. Satellite imagery showed a long line of cars leaving the area, with refugees taking essentials amid fears of ethnic persecution. As Russia shifted its focus to other conflicts, the peacekeepers' inaction drew criticism. The region, which Russia sees as its historic sphere of influence, seemed to slip through its fingers. Meanwhile, the US and the EU pressed the two sides to reach a peace deal. To summarize, the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict has evolved from a fierce war in 2020 to a tense geopolitical standoff, with an escalating humanitarian crisis and mass displacement of people in 2023. The situation is further complicated by the involvement of major powers such as Russia, the US, and the EU, each with their own interests in the region. It's a clear testament to how local conflicts can ripple out, affecting the global stage in unexpected ways.